Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to see how to create certificates in Microsoft Word. So we're going to do this in just 4 steps. So the first step here, we have opened the document and we're going to continue to start with the process. After opening this page, the document, click on File, then click on New. When this opens, go over to this search here and type in certificate. And click on search. So as you can see different templates of certificates that are here. So we're just going to choose one of it. So come in and to choose these templates. You can see this is just one of it. So click here. So this is the certificate now. Let's just change the name of this. So now I've done this, you can decide to change let us see if we can change the design for this yes, okay, can't do that, so just continue. So this is it. So change the text, change the names, and decide to add some borders. You can still add borders and pictures and stuff like that. You can add the picture of the, you are allowed to add the picture of the person in the certificate. You can add it here. If you're adding, you can insert picture here, the image of the recipient of the certificate. So to do that, you just insert and come here, you add pictures. You can do that, and that can be done for this thing. So we now proceed now and save. Click your Ctrl S to save. Okay, yeah, click save. So proceed now and you click file. So we now export it to PDF. Click export and click PDF. Click this. So this is the certificate. This is how it is. You have a seal. You can see certificate has a seal, superintendent and principal. So this seal you can equally put it, see the seal and principal the signing. So after you've printed and it will be signed. So this is how you can create certificates in Microsoft Word. So thank you for watching. Kindly take our time to like, subscribe, comment if you have any question. Thank you so much.